Hello dear students, welcome back for the next session. This time we are going to study the chapter banking, and in the syllabus of ICSE only we have to study recurring deposit account. In this account, a certain sum of money is invested for a particular duration, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and when the duration completes, then he gets the all total of his money with interest, which is called maturity value. But before that, do you know the value of this, how to calculate? This will be, if the last term is 50, then this will be 50 into 51 by 2. 50, then plus 1, 51 by 2. I am taking a very small example to explain it. If we have to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So for finding this value, what we do? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then we add it. Then 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now this value we can calculate very easily. 6 is appearing 5 times. So 5 times 6 divided by 2. Why it is 2? Because we have added 2 times. So the formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n times is n into n plus 1 by 2. It will be used while solving the questions, so you need to learn it by heart. This is the first important thing when we solve the question of banking. Second part, what is recurring deposit account? Suppose first month you are depositing 500 rupees, then interest will be given on rupees 500. This money is called equivalent principal. This year giving monthly installment. When second month you deposit 500, then total deposits becomes 500 into 2, that is 1000. 500 into 2. When you give third installment of 500, it becomes 1500. Now you think that this equivalent principal is 500, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This way it will go. So when we calculate this value, we will use formula n into n plus 1 by 2. I am coming to the question part from your book of Selina. Taking example that monthly installment is rupees 600. Time duration is 20 months. Most of the time it is given in years, so you convert it into month. Rate is 10%. So first step is step 1. You calculate equivalent principal. Equivalent principal means on what money the interest is being given. That is equivalent principal. Equivalent principal will become 600, 1 plus 2 plus up to 20. First month 600, second month interest will be given on 6 to 1200 in this way. So it will become 600. The value of this, as I told you, it will become 20 into 21 by 2. You can cancel it. Now we will calculate the interest. Step 2. Interest. Interest is P into R into T by 100. P part is 600 into 10 into 21. This is P. Rate we have 10%. And time we will take always 1 by 12 because interest is being given every month. So 1 month means it is 1 by 12 here. So at in all the cases we will take the time 1 by 12. So interest becomes 6 into 10 into 21 into 10 again by 12. It will come rupees 1050. We have calculated interest. Now at the end of this 20 month, what maturity value will come to the investor? So the step 3. He has deposited total amount 600 till 20 month. This is his own money plus interest. This is called maturity value. Maturity value is 12 and 000 plus 1050. That is 12 13050 is your answer. The question contains sometimes find the maturity value, sometimes everything will be given, find the rate of interest or finding monthly installment or finding time. Let us take another sum for finding rate of interest. Month type 3. Time 12 month. Rate 11%. Maturity amount, or we write maturity value, ₹12,715. All the questions I have taken from Selena book of class 10, and we have to find out monthly installment. All the process will be same. There is no new formula. First of all, equivalent principle. Then let the maturity value is rupees X per month. Then equivalent principle will become X rupees deposited for 12 months. So it will become X into 12 into 13 by 2. 78x. Interest P R and then T. We can cancel here or we can leave it as it is. 78 into 11. by 1200. X will be here. Now interest means maturity value minus money deposited. The money that the person is depositing, we will subtract from the maturity value, then it will give you the interest. So maturity value is 12,750 minus he is depositing rupees X for 12 months. So 12 into X. This should be equal to 858X by 1200. In this way you can finally solve and calculate the value of X. That will become your monthly installment. Hope you are all well and fine at home. Have patience till 3rd of May. And in case of any query, any question, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करने क्यों नहीं बोले?
अरे रुको ना बेटा
वीडियो बंद नहीं हो रहा है क्या? ओ भाई मारो मुझे वीडियो बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है।